I'm taking video.
Oh, cool. Should have one of those like helmet cams or whatever, you know.
Helmet cap?
Well, something you wear on your head
Oh, do we need
with
that?
the camera. Just
Yeah, because
it'd be kind of cool, you know. You could
yeah,
take video all you want, hands free.
I know. Because right now I cannot really see because so much light.
Mountain bikers use them.
Really?
The helmet cams, yeah.
Oh. Wow, this is how much Muku have to hike.
Oh yeah. That's probably 1 or 2,000. It's at least 1,000.
Yeah, at least. I think at least.
Yeah, I don't think it's 2. It's probably about 1,000, unless it goes beyond that ridge there.
Right.
Sometimes it's a little false false top, and then it goes beyond it.
Yeah.
So this is the ski area, huh? That's
Yeah, I don't even know.
just narrow runs is all they have here.
But for the normal ski lift, does it come with this one? For the normal ski lift, does it come
with the footrest?
Yeah.
I don't know. You see them sometimes, but not
Really?
always.
You're the one
This seems like an older design here.
Because if you have footrest, you probably cannot ski with this thing. I don't know.
Well, yeah, you rest a ski on that.
Garland, turn around, video you.
It's a slow lift.
Yeah. So I guess we cut down. It looks like more than 1,000, but I don't know.
Yeah, it's more than 1,000.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty steep up at this last section, it looks like.
Yeah.